For more updates, click on subscribe and click on bell button for latest notifications. Log into AWS console and go to search bar and type CloudFormation and click on that CloudFormation and it will redirect you to the CloudFormation page. Now you can see that, so I have old template from Cloud9, so I'm just deleting that one. Click delete. So the stack is already deleted. I'm just deleting that stack is defined. So I'm going to create a new stack. Here select the template is ready and select the upload the file. But here, so I have to define the file. So in this my GitHub repository Arkit, if you go to the AWS lab guide, you have this template. You just copy that entire definition of the template and save it to the text file. Then either you can also download that template file and upload it here, or maybe you can just copy it to the text file and save it, then upload that file. So that would be enough for your code. So this is the code which is going to be automated for you to provision the EC2 instance using the CloudFormation templates. Okay, so now my file has been saved. You can just go to upload, browse that file and upload that file. So it will actually upload that file to the AWS S3 bucket, then deploy it using the CloudFormation. You can see that it is automatically created. Now you can say define the stack name, what you call it as. Okay, so for now it is not test and dev or anything, so I can just say take Arkit dev demo for the CloudFormation. Okay, and you can select the EC2 instance type, which is actually T2 micro I have defined, and select the key pair to log in for after the instance is up and running, and allow SSH connection. Then you can just go, if you want to assign any role, IAM role, you can assign it, but I just wanted to put a key, something like what is the purpose of that one. So testing the deployment using the CloudFormation. So I say testing deployment. Now go next, and so here you don't need to do anything, just review it and submit it. So now your stack will be created, and in a few minutes, it takes some time to refresh this, and by the time your CloudFormation will be executed and your resource will be ready in few minutes. You can see now it's created your resources what you have defined on the template on the stack, and now you can go to the EC2 instance and look at that. Okay, and you can see the resources tab, so it is say that the resource is already completed. You can click on that EC2 instance, then you can see the EC2 instance would be up and running. Okay, that is what we need, and that is what we have deployed on the CloudFormation to deploy the EC2 instance with security group. So now you can say select that stack and say delete. So what happens is that it will delete the all the resources which you have provisioned using that stack. Okay, go to instances and see the instance has been terminated. If you go to the security groups, the security groups created by that stack also has been deleted. So that's how you can code the infrastructure and build the infrastructure. How many times you run this template, it will create that many instances for you.